One of Jackson's gifts this year was to ride a train. That was all he asked Santa for, and Santa was kind enough to bring us a ticket to ride a train. So the day after Christmas, we went down to the Tweetsie Railroad in Boone, North Carolina, and did some other exploring while we were down there. We spent a lot of time on the Blue Ridge Parkway. We tried to watch the sunset one night from one of the overlooks, which was pretty cool. Drove over the Lincoln Viaduct, which is an S-shaped bridge. When you ride it, there's a point where it almost looks like you're just driving off into space. Saw the Moses Cone Mansion. The Cone family used to own all that land up there, and they've since donated it to the parkway. The mansion is over 100 years old, but the parkway uses it now. And then we did some other hiking and exploring around the lakes and other things around the parkway. Finally, it was time to ride the train. Jackson was so excited to ride the train. He asked every day when it was time to go to sleep, is it time to go ride the train? When you wake up, is it time to go ride the train? I kept having to explain to him, no, not today, not today. When he saw the train for the first time, he was so excited, he started walking towards it, and it looked like he was going to walk right past the barrier that was keeping people away from the tracks. Even when we were leaving, he wanted to go back and ride the train one more time. We had to keep telling him over and over. We only had one ticket to ride the train one time, so we couldn't go back. We were done for now. I still think he had a lot of fun hearing the whistle and hearing the bell and getting to be that close to a train and then ride it. And we all had fun. Since Jackson asked for tickets to ride the train, we were happy to give him this experience. Instead of gifting him more toys and more stuff, I would rather give him experiences and memories and things he can look back on that are more than just things and toys. And hopefully we can teach him that Christmas is more than about the stuff. Christmas is about making memories and being with people you love, and hopefully here you learn some part of that. So we were happy to give him an experience this year, and hopefully we can keep doing it in the future.